guys, welcome to Vlogtober week 2. However, it's the end of the week. It's Friday and I haven't started the vlog till now because I suck. Right?
No.
Oh, good.
So negative.
Well, I don't know why I haven't vlogged. I guess we haven't really done anything like...
I vlogged.
Oh, he did. I was gonna say we haven't done anything vlog worthy, but that's not true. It was my birthday. I turned 33. Woo, you okay? I had a really nice chill day. I was gonna vlog, but then I just didn't even worry about it. So, yeah, it was my birthday. Bradley did some birthday baking. I'll enter that footage now.
Focus. Hey guys, today is Amy's birthday. She is getting a massage right now. That was one thing she said. I really want a massage for my birthday, and I was like, okay. Reservation made. I'll be home with Milo. He just went down for his nap, so we're gonna do some baking. Every birthday growing up, Amy's family, they always make yellow cake mix with the chocolate frosting. That is what they all eat for their birthdays every year. And so to this day, they all still want that. So we're making Trader Joe's yellow cake mix. I have some chocolate frosting somewhere. But since I'm in the mood, I'm gonna bake. It's Vlogtober. So we're gonna make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, because I know that's all the rage on TikTok. I'm barely on TikTok. I have a TikTok and Amy sends me things. And then every few days, I basically, as we lay in bed at night, I go through and Amy will get upset if I watch the stuff she sent me without her. We watch the stuff she sent me, and then I'll scroll through a handful of videos. All my videos are about dogs and about cooking. And Amy's like, "Did you like see this like new trend with like the Lizzo song?" And I'm like, "No, I literally don't see like trends of anything. All my things are about like really old dogs that are like somehow still surviving and around, or these ASMR like really quick cooking videos, which are very strange." But Amy had sent me something of pumpkin chocolate chip cookies on TikTok, so I know they're the in thing right now. So let's find out. But tonight, we are headed to a magical place called Canyon Country, where I grew up. To have some dinner and then to see some like Halloween decorations, lights. There's some cool houses there. Well, there's one we know of, and then there's some other that were suggested, but we're gonna go just try it out. We are heading out a little bit early so we can be back for bedtime somewhat on time for Milo Man. But yeah, that's our plan. I'll take you along with us. Let me show you the pumpkin outfit. Oh, well, buddy, we can't see you. Very nice, very cute. My son doesn't like to wear pants, but I do have pants packed just in case. So here we go. Hi guys, good morning, happy Saturday. I'm whispering because Milo's asleep upstairs. He's upstairs, I don't know why I'm whispering. But I just got back from the garden center. It was lovely. I'll give you a quick haul in a minute. But It's almost noon. I'm about to wake Milo up, and we are having Bradley's family over for dinner. We are cooking for them, and by we I mean mostly Bradley. But Bradley's off at Costco getting some food for tonight, and so I need to pick up the house. And I need to do a little bit of editing. Instant lighting change. It's a very gloomy day today. In fact, as I was
shopping outside at the garden center. Let me turn on the lights. But as I was shopping outside at the garden center, it was drizzling on me. It was lovely. But here's what I got. I got some cheap house plants, some herbs. I've got some celery to try. Never tried growing celery, but I got, they have these like great 6-packs for pretty cheap. So I got one of the 6-packs. I think they're $5 for a pack of 6 of celery, and then of parsley because our parsley is just not doing great. And then I got some dill. I usually buy herbs at Lowe's, but my Lowe's never has dill. So I saw dill, I snatched that up. This was like, it said a name, Little Miss Mummy. I don't know what the heck that means, but it looks like what's the, I can't think of the name. Polka dot begonia, but it's like more red. I got that, and then it was also next to this one, but this one says it's a hybrid, so I don't know what, but these were both $5, which is so good. I got this beautiful deep purple one, and then I had this type of plant in my office, and it died during the floors because everything was just a mess. But I loved this plant, so I picked it up again. And then you guys, it's almost time to plant bulbs. I'm so excited. These are so beautiful. Some narcissus, I don't know. Some hyacinths. I got this like, it was called the Easter blend. And then some freesia, and then we still have bulbs from last year. And I'm sure I'll buy more, but this was just what caught my eye today. But yeah, that's my little plant haul. Spent so much money on this camera and it never focuses. But yeah, I don't know how interesting today will be, and I'm so sorry. I feel like the vlog like super failed this week. I guess it's not over yet, but I just had a birthday week, a busy week, didn't ever pick up the camera. Ooh, let me show you this. Olive and June sent me the sweetest package. They're launching their new quick dry formula, but they sent this and it was like a really like customized note. Amy, we know having a little one means you don't have much time for yourself, so we hope this allows you for a quick self-care moment and a new toy car for Milo. So it has like a little Olive and June toy car, which is so cute. And then these super cute quick dry colors. This one catches my eye the most. It's kind of like a pinky red, like a beautiful watermelon color. So I guess you have the quick dry polishes and then the quick dry top coat. I love this gold packaging too. I'm also into this white-ish color, so I'm definitely gonna give this a try. So thank you, Olive and June, for sending. That reminded me, I can't believe I haven't shown you yet. OPI sent me their holiday collection. It is literally stunning. I need to go find that. I know where it is. I need to go show that to you. It's up in the office, so let's do that. Okay, I've laid them all out on the dirty windowsill that I need to take a magic eraser to, but I wanted to just show them all to you in a line. Like how beautiful. It's I forget the exact name, but it's something about gemstones. And so there's a lot of just like good chunky glitters. I'm trying to have better lighting by this window, but it's kind of backfiring. The glitters, I don't know about the texture yet, but the glitters themselves remind me of the Muppets glitters from like over 10 years ago. And I love those. Just some really fun, glittery holiday polishes, as well as just like kind of glitzy or shimmery, like a sheen to them. Absolutely beautiful. Like look at this lightly shimmery pink. Like I just absolutely cannot wait to try all of these. And yeah, I can't believe I haven't shown you so far, but yeah, thank you OPI for sending. Not sponsored, but just wanted to show you this gorge collection. Guys, happy Sunday. I was gonna say good morning. It is not morning, it is afternoon. We were going to do this morning, but Milo decided to not nap. Yeah, we think he's moving into one nap, which is fine, but I'm not gonna rush into it because he's also teething. So I'm gonna, play it out, give it time and see. But today he's taking one big long afternoon nap. So we are out in the yard. We're picking pomegranates, as you saw. We're starting the fall garden, the cool weather crops. We planted in this bed, I want to say like 3-4 days ago. Carrots on that side, radishes on this side, and we already have radish sprouts coming up, if you can see that. We planted all sorts of, I think, English breakfast radishes, cherry radishes, and something else. We got the tomatoes and peppers. I was gonna say still going strong. Well, actually, kind of still going strong. These look so beautiful. These are called like black heirloom tomatoes. I'm so excited to see what they look like. Oh, so this, as you've seen in my vlogs all summer, has been bright red snacking peppers. But all of a sudden, as they're ripening, they're turning purple like my purple bell pepper over there. Did I cross-pollinate on accident? Are these just bad? Once one of them is like fully colored, I'll take a bite and we'll see what it tastes like, but let me know if you know. And then all summer, all my bell pepper plants usually all just only had one bell pepper, but that one's a big one. Red, orange, that one's kind of small. And then I had a purple, but something took a bite out of it, which is rude. Then we have a couple jalapenos ready. I'll pick those. Jalapenos are so easy to grow. If you are having a beginner garden, like I barely even try, and I've harvested so many. And also, Bradley was gutting this bed because I think we're gonna plant potatoes and garlic in here. And he was like, you have a watermelon. And I was like, what? And I totally do. Look at this little baby watermelon. So I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but we're gonna keep watering it until it dies and we see. But how gorge. This is further than I got last year with any of my watermelon plants. So yeah, Bradley is continuing to get some off the tree. Some of them are busted open, which is rude. I'm not even positive when is the right time to pick them, but Google just said like when they're red, and they're certainly red. So I figure it's time when like critters start eating it and things are like busted open up there. So, but I got my cutie jalapenos. I showed you the plants I bought yesterday. I want to plant those up, put the herbs in the herb pots. Just having an afternoon outdoors. It is lovely. Happy Monday. It's the next week now. Got the Game Show Network on that's pretty loud, so sorry about that. But I'm going to start prepping dinner. We're going to have chicken and sweet potato bowls tonight. We're kind of dealing with a lot of change. Bradley has a new hockey schedule, and then Milo is now trying to have a new nap schedule. So lots of change. So I'm going to chop up all these sweet potatoes, some radishes, and also all these colorful potatoes. I grew this whole thing, so I'm gonna throw those all in there and just roast them all. I gotta go. I gotta put on shows or something so I can get this in. It's okay. It's okay. Wish me luck. happy Tuesday. Today's a very special day because we have acquired a Halloween bucket. Does it not have a lid?
I think they did back in the 90s. I think they brought them back again at like 10 years ago, and they didn't have them then.
Okay.
Does anyone else remember that?
I feel like the photos had a lid, I feel like. Whatever. But, okay, so Bradley we're being absolute garbage and eating McDonald's today. You got a water bottle?
That's what comes with a kids meal.
Oh, gotcha. Ludo's very excited. Our day got kind of screwed up because Milo's naps are off, whatever. So I was working, Bradley went to go get it. He said, do you want to go get it? I was like, no, you can get it, just make sure you vlog it. And let me show you the clip.
It's happening so fast. We've all been in a drive-thru before at McDonald's. It was crazy.
It's not even vlog style. It's
well, it was happening so quick.
It's hot dog, not hamburger.
He's literally like drinks, this, that, and I was just like, oh, let me get it really quick.
It cracked me up. But I am excited to have the actual bucket for Milo for trick-or-treating and for decoration for his room. I wanted either the white or the orange. So that's fun. And so, yeah, we're gonna eat McDonald's.
Literally everyone is getting it.
That's fun. I love to be a part of it. So that's what we're eating for lunch today. Okay, so you get this little cute sticker thing. I don't even know what Bradley ordered. Okay, the teeniest fries I've ever seen.
I'm gonna change them.
You get 2 things of fries? This is
I
confusing.
think it's supposed to come with apples and fries.
Oh, okay.
So
and then
apples.
McNuggets. But how cute. I'm a fan of this little bucket.
It's just like back in the day.
Yeah, Bradley's mom still has like all the buckets. Yeah. Super cute. Oh, I need to take a picture of it. Hi guys, so let me not fall down the stairs. I am just finishing up my work day. I am heading outside because I hear cuteness ensuing. The 3 of them are outside. Baby gates are ruining my life. But it's a lovely evening. Hi, Boo. Good job. Mom? Hi! Okay, so I'm starting dinner. We're having turkey meatballs and mac and cheese. So I'm starting the meatballs, trying to get those in the oven. Then we'll make some mac, and yeah, gonna finish out this vlog tonight. Good evening. I am moments from slumber.
As I'm yawning.
We just watched Corpse Bride, which we actually watched the whole thing, but it's also extremely short.
It's an hour and 17 minutes.
Yeah.
That is so short.
But last time I vlogged about the meatballs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I wasn't sure I said the right word. I never showed you what they looked like.
I mean, I'm sure you have vlogged those meatballs at least 4 times.
I have. But they were delicious. We had meatballs and mac and cheese. And then we had leftover cookies from last night, so we heated those up.
It's been a great night.
I actually had a very nice, cozy evening. I don't know if you were being sarcastic, but I had a lovely
We're hanging
evening.
on by a thread here.
We're so tired. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I will, of course, start a new vlog whenever I think of it. Hopefully it'll be better than this one.
Hey, don't be negative. This was a great video, a great vlog. I had a great time.
Thank you. And are we doing something in the
I was
morning?
just about to ask what are we doing tomorrow.
You'll find out in the next vlog. We'll see. But we're going to end this one here. I'm going to go put that weird curler thing in my hair in case we do something, and that saves time in the morning. We're going to watch the Munsters, and we're going to fall asleep. So, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you want more vlogs, I will link my whole playlist up in the corner. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon with some more spooky videos. And, yeah. Night, guys.